Next up is factory functions, which these are actually called constructors when you work with classes, and you should be using classes, but whatever. Okay. Factory functions. So you have your monster factory, you pass in your name, age, energy source, and catchphrase, and you're going to return an object that utilizes those parameters. Okay. So instead of making individual robots like we've been doing, let's make a factory function constructor to make the robot. So const robot factory equals this. And we're going to have it take in model and mobile. And it returns an object, return a key of model, the value of, add a key of model with the value of model. Okay, model and mobile. So you can do this, model, and mobile, but you can, but you can also just ignore these, and it actually will do the same thing. The other stuff was just redundant. If you just pass in model, it will actually it'll assign a key value pair, the key being model and the value being whatever you pass in. Maybe it won't work. Yeah. But it doesn't like, Codecademy doesn't like shorthand, but technically that does work. I'm going to get rid of that to show you after this is done. What? Then add, oh yeah, I'm actually going to keep that stuff there. And then method name beep. Console.log beep boop. Okay, run. Okay, that actually worked. See, that worked. Trust me, it works. User factory method declaring a const 10 can equals robot factory of P500. That's very much a robot name. That's racist. And then true. All right. So now do that. It works. Let's log tin can console.log tin can, and then also tin can dot beep to see what happens. So as you can see, it assigns the model and the mobile correctly, and then when you run beep, it'll run beep boop. So yay. Factory functions, also called constructors when you're dealing with actual classes, but we haven't done class. Oh my gosh, use semicolons. Really? I mean, oh, you don't need one there, but seriously, Codecademy, like, what are you teaching? If you're not teaching how to... Okay, that irritates me. You are a website teaching people how to write a language, and you're teaching bad practices, like not using semicolons. I mean, seriously, that is bad. That is not okay. Just, that really irritates me. Anyway, so, I already taught this. So property value shorthand. Yeah. Same thing. Does the same thing. Great. So basically, when you pass in, if you just create an object, you don't actually have to do the model. If you rename it like model, like if you want it to be a private property, you have to do that. Otherwise, and then this will be confused. It's going to say undefined right here, and you have to actually do that. And you can actually return also a get model return this dot model, and so then you could do that, and then it would also work. So yeah, those are all acceptable. But yeah, you don't have to do that key value pair every single time. You can do the shorthand. So, oh yes, we get into this. This is my favorite part of objects. I'll see you in the next video.